What's going on, friends? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I'm gonna unbox something really special today. This is a set of samples that I ordered from MFK, Maison, Francis, Kurkdjian. I hope I did not butcher the name. So this package came in today. It was 4 samples that I ordered, and it came all the way from France. As you can see, it's still sealed. Dangerous goods, because fragrances and chemicals alike, they are termed as dangerous goods. So let's get cracking. Let's find out what's inside. I have absolutely no idea what it looks like or how it's gonna be in the inside. Absolutely no idea. Going in blind. Now the thing is, I really wanted to order a full bottle of BACCARAT ROUGE or Oud Satin Mood, but a good friend of mine said it's better if you will try it first on your skin. So I did not waste a shit ton of money, because those fragrances are really expensive. So what I did was I ordered a set of 4 samples, 2 ml each, and they cost about roughly $15 US dollar equivalent. And MFK is really generous on this part, I would say. They immediately give you a coupon of the exact value that you ordered. So they gave me a coupon for $15 right away. So the next time if I buy from their website, it's gonna get deducted. All right, let's see what's inside. Whoa, look at this. Nice. Wow, feels premium. Wow. Although it's not, it says "From Paris with Love, Francis Kurkdjian," and it's a very nice gesture. It's nothing, not money or anything, but this thing is a really nice gesture. A personalized card, although that's not his real signature. It's a printed thing, but then again, it's a nice touch. Let me just put it aside. Wow. Whoa, whoa. Nice. Look at this beautiful MFK golden print. This is you put this really thin paper inside those packaging for gift wrapping. This is nice. Wow, it's good. Let me just put it here. So yeah, that's about it. Some crap. Right. Moment of truth. Look at this. No wonder they charge you so much, man. This is like premium stuff. They put the thing in a bow. Oh, you don't open it actually. It's like an elastic right here. So you can just, I guess, you can simply slide it off. Nice. So I ordered PETIT MATIN BACCARAT ROUGE 540, and this is the EDP that I ordered. And then I've got Gentle Fluidity, and this was probably the silver one that I ordered. And the last but not the least, something that I really wanted, Oud Satin Mood. Wow. I mean, the paper quality, the bottle, nice. And 2 ml, I would say it's a generous amount, because some fragrance companies only give you 1 ml, sometimes even less. But this thing is really generous. I would say it's generous. And wow, look at the color on that Oud Satin Mood. It's a bit dark. The juice is a bit dark. And BACCARAT ROUGE, nice. I'm really happy. So MFK has already won my heart. Just a simple fragrance sample order, and this is the amount of stuff they sent. And wow, very nice. So guys, I am going to do full wearings of this, and I'm soon gonna order these, any one of them, because these are really expensive. So for now, I'll order only one of them, and I hope I like these fragrances, man. Thank you for staying on my channel, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion for any one of these offerings from the House of MFK, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to hear from your experiences, and probably that might help me decide which one to get finally, because the year is coming to an end. I really want to celebrate it in style, in a posh manner, whatever that's supposed to mean. So thank you for staying on my channel, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. It means a lot to me, and do provide your valuable feedback. Thank you so much.